What are we making today, Gracie?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies? Show the package. Dunkaroos.
My favorite.
Your favorite?
Can I open
So
them?
there's sugar cookie dough, vanilla frosting with rainbow sprinkles.
My favorite.
Yes, let's open them up.
Oh!
Oh, wow. All right.
Ooh. Can I make
frosting.
the frosting?
So let's see what we have to do. So we'll heat them in the oven and we bake the cookie round. So go ahead and get the cookies. Put one there.
Oh my goodness. Okay, full here. Look, full. Then this together.
No, you gotta pull them
Break them apart. There you
Okay.
go.
because we're gonna make all 12.
And, hey Mom, can I make this frosting?
Well, the frosting will be after we bake them
Yeah, I
and
know.
the sprinkles.
Give me my cooking show. I put eggs here.
Okay. This is your show?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to spread them out just a little bit so they have some room to grow. This might be too many on here, but we'll see.
Make you make cookies. This was for $3.50, so I got put it in.
Make sure you put the dial to 350.
Okay, can
Push the dial first.
Which one?
Turn it this way. There we go, we're at 350. Phoebe, back.
Can I turn it on?
You can open it. Phoebe, back. Be very careful, oven's hot.
Oh, I can.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
Yeah, I can.
And go the cookies.
I go back. 'Cause open morning, read bedtime.
10 minutes.
Oh, wait, let me get-
Go ahead.
Ooh, cookie is done.
Okay, let's turn off the oven. Back up a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, wow, look at those.
Yummy, yummy.
Are they yummy? Don't
Yeah.
touch, it's hot.
Can I put it back up?
I'll shut that.
And I played Minecraft, and I got 2 double axolotl in Minecraft.
Yeah,
And
okay.
I'm gonna have a Minecraft birthday. You wanna come to my birthday? Bring Minecraft stuff.
Okay.
My Minecraft Legos and Minecraft shorts and Minecraft.
Yes,
Toys,
Minecraft. Be careful, that's hot. So come over here real quick. Tell them, be right back with icing the cookies.
Be right back. I think that cookie is that fun part.
Mm.
Make cookies. First, what? Put the frosting on. Whoa. Oh my goodness, I'm like farting.
Okay, keep putting, don't use it all in one cookie, baby. You want to make sure all your cookies get frosting.
Can I
Move.
put this? Let's spread this and it has sprinkles.
Mm.
You
Make
should
sure-
like these, but they're actually good. We never tried them, so.
All right. Gracie, you might need to put some of that frosting on another cookie.
Yeah, I know. Give me some base.
Give you some what?
Base.
All right.
My puppy left my
Next cookies. Mmm. Is it good?
The frosting actually good. Next, try to get the whole cookie to get frost. Okay, Mom. Spread.
You girls are doing a great job.
So how I do this? Look at these cookies.
Does it taste good? Mommy's gonna try.
Are really good.
Gonna help Grace get her frosting on her cookies so she can spread it.
The frosting is yummy though.
It is yummy, huh?
Spreading, spread. So you spread it all.
Ooh,
Are you okay, Mom?
I'm good. Okay, once you guys get those all,
And we test them.
then it's cookie testing.
But
Let me show the camera these.
But can I just, Mommy, can I just lick the frosting?
Get that nice golden crust. Sure, sis.
Because I don't really... You do anything you want with the cookie. You add too much, then do a knife.
Let's move this one.
You don't need to add cookies stuff. Like almost you make a crazy.
No, just leave it.
Not
I made sure you
too
had plenty
crazy.
on each cookie now.
Not too crazy, okay?
Not too crazy.
Can I go get another one? I don't like it. Whoa, 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 you both country down the tree.
Merrily, merrily, merrily,
Life is down the tree. Oh no. Got 3 done, now 3 more to go.
Lots of frosting.
You're good.
Is it good frosting, girls?
Yeah. Like that.
Don't. Now you can't use that knife. You silly girl, because these are for everybody. All right.
Can you give me more?
Show me the cookie. All right. Go ahead and take a bite. Tell me how it is.
Good, good.
What do we say?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.